color the edge of the paper is? I say that was orange. It was a real one. Keith, you're not going to believe it, all this time your $20 bill is inside of Jeremy's pocket. You see this child? The child's part of the show. No microphone.
No microphone.
Longest running show of its kind. Now, sit back, relax, and say hello to Tony Brent.
So nobody knows when to applaud at a show like this, so I've got cue cards, applause, cue cards. There's one for that side, there's one for this side. So, and then when I ring the bell, you'll know what to do. Hang on. You need a straw for that drink? Hold it, hold it. Hi, what's your name? That's correct.
That's great.
Nadia, look, I got this camera that goes and zooms in there. You can see everything really close. It looks really good. Nadia, imagine these are the 4 queens in a deck of cards. Imagine we take out 2. Do you want to take out the red ones or the black ones? Red one, she said. Imagine one of those red queens flips over so everybody can see the face. Do you want it to be the Queen of Hearts or the Queen of Diamonds? She says the Queen of Diamonds will be the card that flips over so everybody can see the face of it. Let's see how she did. Could it be the Queen of Diamonds? Yes!
Wow.
No, stop it! Nadia, I knew you were going to say the Queen of Diamonds. I was so sure I put a Queen of Diamonds in there with a different color back. I was so sure you were going to say the Queen of Diamonds, I didn't bother putting any more cards in there. No, you can do it! Nadia! works. You see, the ends come off. It's the circle of life, Simba. Lion King and sing. I want to show you. It's maybe it's in this bag. It's maybe it's in this bag.
Yeah. Wow.
It's
How's that?
maybe it's in this bag. It's maybe it's in this bag. Whoa! Hey, look at this. Not alive. Used to be.
Used to be.
Love it. Speaking of Vegas, remember the old shows? They put the lady in the box and they go.
Oh my god. Wow.
I have a particular set of skills. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I need somebody to help me. Who wants to help me? What do we got going on? Hey, you get up here. Give them a round of applause. That's my right. Right? It's my right. Right. But this is my left, right? Right. But that's your left, right? Right. And that's your right, right? Right? Right. If I take left, what's left? No, that's your left. It's confusing, so we'll do it in French. This is un and this is deux. I'm going to take un and put it over deux. I'm going to take deux and give it to deux. Put your hand right deux. Tap my thumb to yours. It's gone. Open your hand. Look at that. You got them both. There's another one. You take these two, squeeze them tight. Put your feet closer to the floor. Tap my thumb to yours. Say go. Go on. Open your hand. You got all three. These two go in my left hand. This one goes in my pocket. Say go. Jumps back. That goes in the left hand. That goes in the left hand. That goes in the pocket. Say go. Beep. Gone. They're in your pocket. That would have been awesome. Which is really that one, because that was that one, this one. This one was that one. This one? That one. That one? Or that one? This one. This one? Yeah. All right. Let's see what card Jeremy got. Oh, look, the 4 of diamonds. Let's see what my prediction was. Oh, the 4 of diamonds.
Oh, wow.
No, it's out of pity. They're all the 4 of diamonds. Who said they're all the 4 of diamonds? Jonah? He says they're all the 4 of diamonds, Jeremy. What do you think?
Right.
You think they're all the 4 of diamonds? Dude, I wouldn't do that to you. For you, I'd make them all be the 7 of clubs. Ball in the cup, shake it up, shaken, not stirred. Take the ball out. I'm going to try to get the ball back under the cup so quick you can't see me do it. Are you ready? Okay, I already did it. Here's what just happened. I took the ball out, held my hand far away, picked up the cup. That made you look at the cup, and you were not looking at my hand. That's when I snuck the ball out of my hand. And just now I pointed at my hand, and you looked at my hand, and you were not looking at the cup. That's when I put the ball back under the cup.
What? Not really.
Huh? Oh, what's your name, sir? Yeah. Bernard? Bernard, for $50, where's the ball? In my pocket or under the cup?
One of them, right? Yeah, she wants one. She didn't like that.
Okay.
No, I do the cheating. Make it a number bigger than 25, but less than 100. You got a number? Don't tell me. Bigger than 25, but less than 100. How do you do, Bernard? I almost have your number, Bernard. I'm this close. I need to be this close. What was your number, Bernard? 35? I'll show you what I mean, Bernard. Here's what we'll do. 35. I'm going to change the music and I'll show you. Well, Bernard, you got to do a little math. Add the numbers up. 11 plus 8 is 19 plus 14 plus 2 equals the number you were thinking of, 35. 15 plus 1 is 16 plus 12 plus 7 is 35. 4 plus 16 is 20 plus 6 plus 9 is 35. 5 plus 10 is 15 plus 3 is 18 plus 17 is 35. Bernard, 6. 3 on each side. Yeah. What happens if we get rid of 1? How many do we have now?
5.
Now we have 4. Whatever you do on one side happens on the other side. Let's start over. Okay, so you got 6 X's. 6 X's. Get rid of that one. Get rid of that one. How many do we have now?
2.
Yeah, 1 on each side. Remember back when we had 2 on each side, though? Those were the days.
Oh my God.
Get rid of that one. Now we have 1 X. I like it better up here.
Oh my God.
You can move it.
Oh, you're awesome.
Hey. Let's erase it. No more X's live in Texas. No X's. Except 1 on my finger. We'll toss it over there.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, 1 on each side.
Wow.
Good thing is when you rub it too, it goes back in the marker. That's nice.
Right about now.
That Queen of Spades. Hold out your hands, Alan. All right, what's this one? Queen. Which one did I turn over? 9 of hearts. Okay, good. All right, let's do this way. Hold out your hand. Put your other hand on top of that hand. Without looking, which one are you holding? Queen of Spades. And which one am I holding? All right, watch this, Alan. Which one did I tear up, Alan? I tore up the queen? I did? Okay, so that means what are you holding? Without looking. Are you sure? Maybe not.
Oh my God.
Take a look. Hey, Alan! ketchup shortage. What year was it? It's back. Shh, gone.
Oh wow.
Shut up, kid.
Oh, you're holding it. That's what Brady was saying.
Empty.
It's not empty.
Oh,
Shut up.
It's not empty.
Whatever.
Oh my God, it really is.
Can you see these from here? Because we can make them bigger if we need to. It's up to you.
Oh wow.
Is that confusing? Okay, here we go. You ever seen that guy who always pulling a quarter out from behind your ear? I like to pull an ear out from behind a quarter. That's what I'm known for around these here parts. I'm going to teach you one. Okay, here's what you need. You need a dime. All right, here we go. We'll do it slow. Watch the dime. Watch it. Here it goes. It's about to go.
Oh my God, look at that.
Hey! All right, watch. You're getting sleepy. So sleepy. You enjoying this? So sleepy. Oh, he's out like a light, Bernard. Look at that. First impression, Davy Crockett. Abe Lincoln. French lady. Balloon animals. Okay, it's a puppet. It's got a spring in there. You pull down on it, you can eat out of your hand. Look at that. Pull up, you can scratch his neck, you can make his tail. 4 fingers moves him all over your body. Always 4, Bernard, never 1. Bernard, do you want to try it? 4 fingers. Come on, dude, 4. Come on, let's do this. No? Okay. So I took him to a restaurant in my backpack, and when the food came, I brought him out. And then I see the server staring at me. Pretty soon the manager comes up and says, "Sir, no live animals allowed." No live animals.
Animals!
No live animals.
Animals!
Oh, it's okay. A little mouth to mouth. You can make one of these if you have a cat at home. Get a slinky. Bunch of cat lovers, okay. Also, they sell them in the gift shop. Crest has the book reel. Something there's no way I could guess what it is. Something big and long. Tell me when you got it. I'm gonna read your mind. Bernard, diagonally. 2 plus 12 plus 16 plus 5 equals 35. 11 plus 1 is 12 plus 6 plus 17 is 35. I got nothing. Help me out. What's the first letter of your word? D? That's my grades in school. What's the second letter? No, don't help me out. How does that kid know? What the heck? I will figure out what word you're thinking of using the secret Scrabble tiles of destiny. Is there a D T in your word?
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go. I'm going to tell you what word you're thinking of.
And then L.
Whoa! I think the spirits are trying to speak to me. Come on, spirits! Krista, is there a E in your word? A R?
Look at the bulb.
M? Okay, there's no way I can know what your word is. You didn't even tell me the page. I'm going to try to tell you, guess what your word is. If I get it right, you stand up. I mean, you walk toward the stage, I'll ring the bell, everybody will clap for you, even though I did all the work. All right, here we go. Are you thinking of the word dermatologist? By gracefully linking all the rings onto one ring. I want to thank the Academy. I want to thank Bernard. Sit on the table. What table got shorter? All right, take out one card. Give it to me. You slide the table back. All right, come over here. What card did you give me there, Jeremy, my friend? 2 of spades. 2 of spades. Here, show it to them. Let them see it. This is cool. Fold it up. What's this? See if you can hit the bag from there.
Oh my God!
2 points. Hold out both hands.
Oh my goodness.
Jeremy said the 2 of spades. Open it up, Jeremy. Let the whole wide world start. Yo, over there. I know some talk to First we have, hang on, I gotta check your auras.
Auras?
Yeah. Good one. Pretty good.
I like talking on doing that.
You got a dirty aura.
Oh my goodness!
Aura is so dirty. First we have the bag. What's in the bag? Good question, child. In the bag is my high school car. Make sure it's empty, yo. You can make a hand puppet. How's it going? Gosh, that's goofy. MD, I'll take the bag. Jeremy, lick the lemon.
Not now.
Okay. Hold up one finger. Thanks for choosing that one. Good. Okay. Hold it out like that. There you go, Jeremy. Don't lick it. One finger. Clark the Sharp Doctor. Let's rehearse our lines. Bag lady, scene take one. Who's got the lemon? Ooh, where's the knife?
Yo, over here.
Ooh, that was good. Is there a doctor in the house?
I'm not a doctor, but I pay one on stage.
Thought he was bowing to me. That was good. Who's got the money? I forgot. Who was the guy? Come on up, man. Bring your money. Bring your wallet. We may need more. Jeremy, not too close. He's got a knife. Keith, stand by the shark.
Okay.
I need you to write your name on that 20. That way, in case you ever see it again, you'll know it was yours. Yeah, you can use this pen I got at the bank. They were giving them away, just got to pull. Hard. Keith, let the Dr. Shark see your mark.
Very good.
Yes. Here, I'm going to take that 20. You take that paper. We'll trade. Start the car. Go ahead. Unfold that paper. Let them see it. Yeah, unfold it. Make sure there's no magnets, trap doors, mirrors.
Looks like legal tender.
Well, yeah. Well, it's special litmus paper. See, what you do is you crumple up money like Keith's $10 bill in this paper, and you set it on fire. Depending on what color it is, it tells us whether or not it's a real 5. Because it has to be real, or the $1 trick won't work. Oh, let him come up. Come on up. He can come up. It's a family show. Come on. Come on, buddy.
Dude, come here, buddy.
Let's see who he goes to. Oh, it's Jeremy. Oh, man. Anyway, here we go.
Be careful.
We just have to see what color the edge of the paper is.
Oh,
I say that was orange. It was a real one. Anybody else have any money? We'll give Keith a big round of applause. Didn't he do good? Woo! Watch your step going down. Keith, you're not going to believe it, all this time your $20 bill is inside of Jeremy's pocket. You see this child? The child's part of the show. Yes, the child works for me. He secretly brought the 20 up and put it in, I'm assuming you're the dad's pocket. Check it out, Jeremy.
Jeremy, come here, buddy. Put money in my pocket.
It's in your wallet. That's why it's so magical. That would have been cool, though, wouldn't it?
That would have been.
Keith, listen. Who's got the lemon? Yo, everybody, give her a round of applause. Yo, that's right. She's got it now from all the way across the room. Where's the knife?
Yo, over here.
Jeremy, give him a round of applause. Jeremy. Now watch this, my peeps.
And the money is inside! What?
Is there a doctor in the house? Oh, is there a doctor in the house?
I played one on stage, but I forgot the other side of the thing.
Dr. Shark, everybody, Dr. Shark. He has no cartilage in his body and he can't remember his lines. Because he's a shark. Doctor, extract the bill with your surgical knife and
Well, the sucker won't up.
Open it up, doctor!
Okay, I'm taking it out. Always good at extractions.
Unfold it, Keith, and show the committee is the same.
And it's dry. And it's dry.
20,000.
I'm taking pictures. Taking videos.
I'm too tall, Mom.
I know it covered me completely. See how cool are you? Where's my hand? Where's my mouth opening? Watch water, defy gravity.
Feel the tremor, followed by a series of intense jolts, and finally, the aftershock. This is considered mild. Ready, hang on, and prepare for the quake.
They're sharp.